This video will go over how to install the EcoHitch part number X7398 for your Mazda CX-5. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for any future installs. To start, remove the two plastic push rivets holding the plastic panel to the rear bumper, and then remove the panel. Use a lubricant such as WD-40 to loosen the rubber exhaust hangers, then remove and lower the exhaust. Remove the wire harness clips from the frame on both sides of the vehicle. Next, remove the tape on the outside of the frame rail, exposing the hitch mounting locations on both sides of the vehicle. Trim any excess seam sealer between the two mounting holes if needed. Depending on the year of the vehicle, some of the mounting holes will be threaded from the factory. Check all 4 mounting holes on the frame rails for factory threads. For holes without threads, attach a plate washer and bolt to the bolt fisher. Pull the wire end of the bolt fisher until the hardware gets close to its mounting hole. Leave the coil end of the bolt fisher with the hardware inside the frame rail. Repeat the process for all unthreaded mounting holes. Guide the straight end of the bolt fishers through the appropriate mounting holes on your EcoHitch. Raise the hitch into position, using the fisher to pull the bolts through the holes on the hitch. Carefully remove the bolt fishers one at a time. Secure each bolt with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. For the threaded holes, install a bolt, lock washer, and flat washer. Torque down the hardware. Reattach the 2 plastic push rivets holding the plastic panel to the rear bumper. And reinstall the exhaust to the rubber exhaust hangers. Once that is secure, your EcoHitch is installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torquelift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.